Okay, I have another lock from Jitsuka. It's a quick set keyway. So let's put it in the vise and open it up this morning. Okay, let's see if we can use the bottom of the keyway on this. Let's use this pick. I've already removed the clip from the back of the lock to save a little time. There's pin 5, pin 4, pin 3, pin 1. Let's go to the back again. Okay, there's pin 2. Oops, we released too much tension in, so we've got to go back and reset the pins. I dropped the pins. Okay, there's pin 3. There's pin 1. Okay, it's open. I didn't drop as many pins as I thought. So let's check this lock out, see what we have. Let's see if this will work. I don't know whether this will work or not. Okay, that worked. Okay. Okay, all the bottom pins are standard. Let me get the camera down. There has been no changes made to the plug. Okay, let's check our upper pins. Pin 1, that's, 5, that's a standard. That's a spool. That's a spool. That's another spool. And that's another spool. No changes have been made to the plug. The lock is made out of plastic. So let's take a little bit closer look at the pins. Okay, this is a spool, spool, spool. These are all standard on the bottom. The last two is a spool, a standard, and standard pins on the bottom. Okay, that's what we have in this, I guess this would call a quick set keyway, or a lock with a quick set keyway. Appreciate the time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you again.